find it?
Yeah, you just like lift that up.
What do you think's under there? You have to talk loud. I can't hear you.
It's a little baby lizard.
Okay, can you hold this one so I can look for the other one?
Yeah.
Grab it. Very easy. Good job. Good job.
No. You lift it up.
Okay.
No.
Are you ready? Are you gonna catch it? Yeah. Okay. I think we lost him.